Kia ora, I'm Mark Aspin. I'm the General Manager of the Pastoral Greenhouse Gas Research Consortium. That's an organisation that was formed in 2002 by farmers with government to find ways to reduce their ruminant livestock's greenhouse gas emissions. We've mainly focused on methane, but we've also been involved in helping develop nitrous oxide emission reduction through DCD with Lincoln and Ravenstown as well. So in the methane space, we know that the amount of methane a ruminant animal produces is directly proportional to the amount of feed eaten. Most of the variation, 85% of it, is explained by the amount of feed eaten. And in our pasture systems here in New Zealand, we're really challenged to be able to do something about that day in, day out. So we've taken an approach of looking right across the farm systems in both dairy and in sheep and beef to see what we can do. And we've focused on sheep genetics for breeding selection. We've focused on looking at different feeds. Some forages, not pasture, but some forages do show some reduction in methane if they're fed, but they're only fed in New Zealand for a short period of time. And we've been focusing more and more in the last few years on the concept of a methane inhibitor, or a small molecule that we can feed to the animals that will inhibit the organisms and methanogens that are in the rumen creating methane, and also in developing the idea of a vaccine where the actual host, the animals injected, are vaccinated and they produce antibodies to stop methanogens producing methane. It's really exciting science to be involved in, and one of the big things that makes it really cool for me is that I'm doing this for farmers and trying to work out how I'm going to deliver and how we're going to deliver, as is a big we, cost-effective ways to reduce methane into the future and make sure our ruminant animals remain there, a really important part of our economy and our country.